Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to fix Momix app something went wrong problem. Please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search for Momix and then open it, and if update available, update the app. Then go back and go to the settings of your phone and then tap on apps and notifications and then tap on apps, and here search for Momix and then tap on storage option, and here clear cache as well as data. Then go back and tap on data usage and enable all these options. So hope this will work for you, but if all these methods not worked, then completely uninstall the app and reinstall it again. So for this, tap on uninstall option, and when it completely uninstall, then reinstall it again. So hope this will help for you. Thanks.